It's about this you, man. All y'all take this down. I'm pissed, man. We don't care about nobody except this you. We don't. Soldier.
Hey, Soldier. Do you know who's in command here?
Tiger, GD Army, Young Money Navy. Fuck you, pay me. It's simple. What happens when your enemies once friends and everything ends? My glory begin. 2 miles from his house, a spot that they slung out. Little kids play out, shit foul in my town. They talk but won't shout, cause snitches never be found. Just look straight, no squares around, just crooks and cake. Halfway growing age, started seeing different ways. Illegally paid, get lawyers legally paid. I'm saying, Polaroid boy, just want the fame. Never my image to portray, but never soft like souffle, nigga. I started from the very end. Look around, look what I began. Women sitting, sipping with him. But what happens when the glory ends? What happens when the glory ends? What happens then? What happens when the glory ends? Enemies once friends, guess my glory ends. Look at them, Tiger Slim, skinny, no pig, I don't fuck with them. Dividends, bitch, no ticket shit. Here's a tip, write it off my taxes. Get paid more than you faggots. My shine like I waxed it. Get backwards, move forward, get blasted. I'm Dave Matthews, grave digger, this nigga axed it. Actually, my swag mastered. Show the masses my taxes, performing art like Juilliard bastards. Young graduate, no degree but a bachelor. Pad full of cash, look at the way I sag. Look at the balance on the natty hat. Match the Gucci bag, wearing shit the store never had. Even dads is cool, mothers love my ass. Them ghetto Jags is through, I'm in the newest class. Limited edition, no tents, bitch, see who win it. Now back the fuck up like strippers, nigga. I started from the very end. Look around, look what I began. Women sitting, sipping with him. But what happens when the glory ends? What happens when the glory ends? What happens then? What happens when the glory ends? Enemies once friends, guess my glory ends. A hater's only motive, scope my every slogan, blog my every word, rephrase shit I've spoken. Oh, nah, the truth is really unfolded. Couple Folgers if you're sleeping, we gon' wake your owner. Hold ya like groceries, no Kenneth Copeland, but I'm on some Pope shit. Drug flow, I'm close to dope, bitch. Really saying this sick shit, no nursery, but roll your boat, bitch. White Phantom, call it big toe whip. In motion, an eagle coated and zero below. Don't promote it, hoes know what I D.O. Already put on a show from the day he was born. Through the fog, deformed, I'm a monster, y'all. Jury look armor raw, your money monopoly, boy. The shit is fraud, and I don't play games. You seen what happened in that movie Saw, but this is real life shooting, no director. I started from the very end. Look around, look what I began. Women sitting, sipping with him. But what happens when the glory ends? What happens when the glory ends? What happens then?